Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Iraba. In this video, we're going to be looking at an example of web scraping. So the question we want to look at is to extract the title of the movie that won Best Picture from this website. So we are given this website, so we want to extract the titles of the movie that won Best Picture. So definitely I want to go to the website, and in order to extract the title, I need to read the web page, that is read the web page using read_html, if you recall. So let me write it here, and then I'll plug in the URL. So read_html, then in parentheses, I will include this URL in here. So that's read the web page. Then the next step is to scrape the node. So if you recall, in order to scrape the node, we may need to make use of the selector gadget and to help us determine what this selector is. And then the function that we use for that is html_node. Then in here, I'm going to put in the selector I detect by using the gadget selector. And then the next step is to extract the text. So in order to extract the text, that's going to use the harvest function html_text. And then that will actually give me the information I wanted. And if you look at the information, sometimes the output may not be in a form that is really neat. So sometimes we may need to make use of string functions from string R package. So string R package. So we may use the functions in this package to kind of like make it look a little bit, to make it look more neater. So let's actually dive into this. So you recall, in order to scrape the node, we need the selector gadget. So I'll go to the website. So in this case, when the selector gadget is already installed, you will see the app. So upon clicking the app, it will bring out this box. Then I will now click on the titles that I want. So upon clicking on the title, it turns green. And then right here in this box, you get the selector. So, and also these yellow ones are similar things that I want to scrape. So now let's actually now go into the code. So the first step is to reading. So this is actually the code. So here, best, then read the HTML. This is the website. You plug in the website. So this read the web page. Then the next step is to scrape the node. So using the HTML node, then this is the selector I detected using the CSS selector gadgets, using the selector gadget, and then HTML text, which is to extract the text. So these are the three main lines that will actually extract the title that I need. And when you run the code for these three lines, this is like part of what it will give for the best object. So in this case, this is it. So it actually goes all the way down, but I only like copied the first few one because of space. So now, as you can see, this doesn't look, I am only interested in the title, okay, and then the year. So I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, and there is this, I want to remove this white space here. So that is where I'm going to be making use of this string R function. So the first one used here is the string trim function. So this function is remove the white space before and after. So once I run that line, it will present that. Once I run the code here, it will bring the data, the output is going to be in this form, which is actually closer, but then I need to remove this. So I will use the function string remove and tell it what to remove. That's the \n. And then once I do that, it will now give me the titles, and with the year of the movies that won the best picture from the given website. So that's how we use web scraping. So if you have any question, please reach out to me by email, and during my office hours, I'm more than happy to answer your question. And then the homework is also on Blackboard. Thank you. God's blessings.